We are here at the Plaza Mall parking garage here in Little Rock, Arkansas. Oh boy, this thing. Let's go down to 1. Montgomery. Honestly, I think this is a mod. I think this was a series got modded by Montgomery. Let's go to 4. That works. And going up?
I am. You going up?
Yes.
Okay.
What floor?
3. You're a blogger.
I'm just filming the elevators. It looks like vlogging, but I'm not. Here you go. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, too. A lot of people say I vlog, but I don't vlog. Yeah, I wonder if this was originally an 8 series. Could be. It'd be really weird if Montgomery modded this thing again. Area 4. This door operators though. This is a weird mod. I think this was a series, honestly. I just like how they added this thing in here. G4. This is 88 fountain. Innovation Universal. These are older actually. So I wonder if this was a series. Honestly, I think it is or was a series that modded by Montgomery. I'm not sure about this piano though. This piano's weird. It's not flush with the metal, you know? Definitely a weird mall with its own elevators here. There's the steps. This is weekend promoting to make people healthy. Instead of taking the elevator, use the stairs. Or use the stairs instead of taking the elevator. I honestly think the other one's not working. This is a weird parking lot. Absolutely no handrail in the back, which is weird. They got this junk on the button here. So I gotta push 1. Weird. I honestly think this was originally Montgomery series. Yeah, I honestly think this was a series originally. That sounds wonderful. Oh gosh. There's the 8A phone. Not sure if this panel is fully screwed in, but these are your buttons here. The Innovation Universal. These are actually the older kind. Some odd reason, this is telling me this is a mod. Let's go up to 2. Once again, there's the steps. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.